mint, cottage cheese, coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the cottage cheese recipes and one of the most different of the mint recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut mint recipes and one of the most delicious of the fried rice recipes. Today we are going to make mint, cottage cheese, coconut milk rice. The ingredients are 200 grams of cottage cheese cut into small cubes, 25 grams of garlic, around half a spoon of caraway seeds, one spoon of fennel seeds, 1 spoon of coriander seeds, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, 3 red chillies, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 1 onion cut into pieces, around 4 sprigs of mint leaves, 25 shallots. Heat the pan and pour in tin olive oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in put in the fennel seeds, coriander seeds, and the shallot. Thoroughly. The onion is used for color. Out of the mixture, keep on salt. Procedure should be performed for around 5 minutes. mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Now the mixture can be taken off the flame and let to cool. Now put in the mixture after it cools down into the grinder and close and grind well. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Now put in the mint leaf and the tomato pieces. Combination of the mint and the onion and the shallots. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly saute mix. Thoroughly mix. Now put in the cottage cheese pieces or cottage cheese cubes. Into the mixture. Mix well. Mix thoroughly. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Mix in the salt. Thoroughly mix in the salt. Now pour in 300 ml of coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. And let the mixture cook for 7 to 8 minutes if in the pressure cooker or instant pot, or 20 minutes if in an open pan. After the required amount of cooking, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice into the mixture. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 5 minutes if in the pressure cooker or instant pot, or 15 minutes if in an open pan. Now the cottage cheese, mint coconut milk rice is ready, or the mint cottage cheese coconut milk rice is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final mint cottage cheese coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the mint recipes and one of the most different of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.